Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover a photo or video when you accidentally deleted it on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So let's get started. So first you want to open your photos, and then for example this photo, and you just accidentally deleted that. So as you can see here, that photo is not here on my album. So I want you to do is to click on the album button here at the upper left corner of my screen, and then scroll down until you see the recently deleted album. So now you can see that photo here at the album, and now I just want to click on that photo, and you can see a recover button at the lower right corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that and click on recover photo. So now when you check again on your photos, you can see that photo is recovered. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.